Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best workout essentials you can own, the Etekcity Smart Scale for Body Weight. If you're serious about tracking your health and fitness journey, stick around. This smart scale isn't just smart, it's smarter than most. Let's get into it. Right out of the box, the Etekcity Smart Scale impresses with a sleek, minimalistic design in a classic black color. It's sturdy, low profile, and the LED display lights up clearly with your stats, no matter the lighting. But looks are just the beginning. What makes this scale a real game changer is the technology packed inside. At its core, it's built with 10 years of professional expertise and high-precision sensors that measure weight changes as tiny as 0.05 pounds. Yes, it's that accurate. Whether you're tracking water weight or muscle gain, every decimal counts, and this scale gets it right. Now here's where it gets smarter. You're not just stepping on a scale. You're stepping into a personalized health ecosystem powered by the free V-Sync app. Once connected via Bluetooth, the scale delivers 13 body composition metrics right to your phone. Things like BMI, body fat, muscle mass, visceral fat, and more. These insights help you understand what's really going on with your body beyond just weight. And guess what? This isn't just numbers on a screen. V-Sync builds customized diet and fitness plans based on your habits. Whether you're bulking, cutting, or maintaining, the app adapts to help you reach your goals faster and smarter. It even syncs with major fitness apps like Apple Health, Google Fit, Samsung Health, Fitbit, and MyFitnessPal. Plus it works with Apple Watch. Your data flows where you need it. One feature I found surprisingly useful was the multiple weighing modes. You've got the zero current mode for safe use, especially important if you're sensitive to electrical signals. There's baby mode to track your baby's or even your pet's growth, and for light items mode lets you weigh things as light as 100 grams. That means you can track meal portions or packages without switching to a kitchen scale. What about voice control? This scale's ahead of the curve. It connects with Alexa. So you can check your weight and progress hands-free, just by asking. And don't worry about privacy. V-Sync is committed to keeping your health data secure. It also supports unlimited users. So if you're in a household where everyone's on their own fitness journey, this scale can handle it, no problem. No juggling profiles, no mix-ups. With over 130,000 ratings and Amazon's Choice tag, it's clear this isn't just another gadget, it's a trusted fitness companion. Currently priced at around $21.59 with a limited time 10% discount, it offers serious value. Even with international shipping, it's a competitive investment into your health. And yes, it's eligible for FSA and HSA, which means you can buy it with pre-tax dollars if you're in the US. To wrap it up, the Etekcity Smart Scale isn't just about measuring weight. It's a full-spectrum health monitor, personal fitness coach, and smart home device all in one. Whether you're stepping on the scale once a day or once a week, it's designed to keep you informed, empowered, and on track. If you're building your home gym or just looking to level up your wellness routine, this is one product you shouldn't skip. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want us to review more smart health tech. Until next time, way smarter, live healthier.